What's up, you guys? I'm going to attempt to do some passion twists in my hair. So I was YouTubing videos on how to do passion twists, and I'm like, it doesn't look that hard, so I'm just going to give it a try myself. So yeah, like I told you, I already washed my hair a couple of days ago, but I'm about to condition it right now. Matter of fact, let me show you the products that I got. I'm going to be using this creamer for damaged hair. I thought this was the leave-in, but obviously, I don't know, I got to wash it out. So I don't know what I'm going to use to put on my hair. But I also have the edge control, the edge wax, rubber bands, and of course you need the crochet needle. I have two brushes and a brush. Boom. So I'm just about to condition my hair with this and then wash it out. Hold on. Get it all over. And I'm gonna let it sit for like
2 minutes.
Yep. How did you know?
Because you that said.
I know this looks a hot mess. But yeah, mommy here's a hot mess right now, honey.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit in for 2 minutes and wash it out. See you later.
Beep beep.
Make sure you just moisturize the ends.
2 minutes.
So my hair is conditioning. I'm about to blow dry it.
Yup.
So see you in a bit. Get a hair tie. Then you just want to make sure your part is straight and it looks straight enough to me, and then part it again so it can be a section. Okay, as you can see, you guys, I parted my hair down the middle, and I'm gonna put a hair tie on this side. Okay, now that I got half of it all wrapped up, I'm gonna just part down this way, you guys, and I'm just gonna keep going this way. So what I'm doing is just putting some of the wax on the side, my edges, and up underneath. Just take the toothbrush, smooth it. And then put the rubber band around it. See, it gets better as you get to the front because you can see what you're doing. That looks much better in the front. And just continue. So I finally got all my parts done. It took forever, but it's done. So here's the hair. I think I'm gonna use 2 pieces. So I got my hair ready to go. So I don't know if I'm gonna use 1 or 2. I'm gonna try 1. So you just want to split it. This one is already kind of split. And then take the other side and try to split it up. Not. Put some foundation. See that little hook right there? You want to keep that.
Yeah. Mommy.
And then
Mommy.
Do the.
Mommy.
Yes, babe. Hold on. And you want to do the other side the same way. I'm trying to see. What y'all think? Y'all think this is going to be enough? Okay, so the hair look like that. Leave that little hook. So as you guys can see, I twisted the front, but in the back, because I didn't know what I was doing. Let me show you. Like this right here, I kind of braided it and then started to twist it. And I kind of actually like that better. So I think I'm going to do the rest of my head like this, braided and then twist it. I don't know what you're gonna call it, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So you guys, I'm almost done. I have 2 more left to go. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. Just split this hair up by running my fingers through it. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle and boom, put it on in there, and then close it, pull it through. Then you see this loop that's open? This is separated, right? So I'm just gonna take one and pull it through and then tie it. After I tie it, I'm gonna get some of my edge wax. I don't have my creamer, so that's the only thing. Then I'm gonna split this into 3. So hold on one sec. See, now y'all see, here's my hair and then the weave. I gotta split it into 3. So what I'm gonna do is braid it, because that's the method that I've been doing. Just braid my hair. So I'm gonna start by braiding it. Just braid it on down. My head is very tiny. So I'm just gonna keep braiding it down to it covers my real hair, till my real hair is blending in. So I'm just gonna keep braiding down until I don't see my real hair. Oh, so just keep twisting it, because when you go up like that, that give it that look, the passion twist look. All naughty and stuff. Almost done. Stomach showing. And I just like to add a little bit of the wax at the end. Cut that little part off. And there you have it. I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm all done. This is the finished look. It took about 8 hours, but we got through it. I got through it. So it looks good. I'm happy.